Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. You're hanging out with Cryptic Gaming. So, today, we're diving into building a 2D pixel art game from scratch. And I'll be sharing a little behind the scenes look at how I built the game. Alright, so here's the first step I'm diving into to get the code started. So, I'm rocking Spck editor to get the job done.
Why this up? Because like the title says, we're building a whole game on mobile today. Now, for the second app, we're going to need some AI to hook up the character sprites. You guys can use whatever AI you're vibing with. Alright, let's jump right into it. Just fire up a new project on Spck editor. Make sure you set it to HTML5, because that's what we're working with. Now, feel free to name it whatever you want. Call it fried duck or polygamy chicken. Wait, did I get that backwards? LOL. Anyway, I'm just going to go with Pixel Game 4 now. I've got tons of files in Spck editor, so let's keep it simple so I don't lose it later. BTW, if you're vibing with this kind of content, don't forget to drop a like. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Much appreciated. Guys. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like. I actually pre-wrote the code before I started recording, because let's be real, coding while recording on a phone is a total pain. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you as best as I can. So, duck teep and lang equals ID. This is how we introduce the file to the PC. It's like, heads up, this is a web document, and the language is set to Indonesian. Next up, UTF-8, this is basically the translator. It's there so your emojis and characters don't glitch out and turn into those annoying broken squares. We want everything looking clean. Next, we've got the viewport meta tag. This is your screen controller. It makes sure the game fits perfectly on your phone, so it's not too small, and it stops the screen from shaking or zooming in while your thumbs are busy grinding. Next, we have the title tag. This is the name that pops up on your browser tab. For this project, I'm calling it Crystal Quest Solid World. Sounds pretty sick, right? Moving on, let's head over to the middle section. This is where the magic happens, the game display, or what we call the UI in Canvas. This is basically what the players see the second they boot up the game. Div ID equals UI. This is the dashboard. It holds all the important info floating right on top of the gameplay .span. Think of this as a tiny label box. We use it for numbers that are constantly changing. .id. JavaScript will look for these specific names to swap your score from 0 all the way to 100. Div ID equals dialog box. Class equals hidden. This is our dialog box since it's set to hidden. It won't show up until the character actually comes up and talks to you. Canvas ID equals game icon. And this is the master canvas. Think of it as our main drawing board where all the characters, trees, and crystals actually come to life and move around. Now, for the bottom section that controls, think of this as the PS controller. Right on your screen, joystick. This is the area where you rest your thumb to move the character around, joystick. The big outer circle that stays in place. That small nub in the center that you actually slide around to move up, down, left, and right. Last but not least, the game's script src equalscript.js. This is the main engine. Without this, your game is just a bunch of dead images. This script is what actually makes the character run, levels up your score, and gets the music blasting. Wait, guys. Alright, guys, sorry for the wait. Next up, go ahead and select the style.css file and open it up. Now, once again, since I'm recording this on my phone, I've already got the code prepped. I'm just going to copy and paste the whole thing into this new file. Curious to know more? I'll make a follow-up video for you guys soon, because something urgent just came up and I got to go handle it real quick. Alright, for those of you who want to build your dream game and learn how to code make, sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop a like if you enjoyed this, or hit dislike if it's not your thing. In the next video, I'm going to dive deep into the CS